Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Sakshi Sahu and let's continue our series of countries, capital and currency. So yes, this will be part 3 and we are already done with 2 parts. If you haven't seen those parts, please go to our channel and watch them out. So before starting, let me tell you, if you're preparing for defense exam sitting back home, SSB Crack is best for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense related examination, be it CDS, NDA, Territorial Army or others. For more details, you can visit our website SSB Crack Exams. There you can find the entire package of courses, mock tests, quizzes and study material. Do also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Also, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play. So guys, let's start. So the first country that we are going to discuss today is Japan. So Japan, as we all know, it is located here in the eastern part of eastern part of Asia. Okay, and this is an island country. As you can see, particularly it is situated in the northwest Pacific. So it is also one of the most densely populated and urbanized country, also the 11th most populous country in the world. So जो कैपिटल है जापान की इट इज टोक्यो और जो यहाँ की करेंसी है इट इज येन. Moving ahead, next we have is Kazakhstan. So Kazakhstan, this particular landmass is a transcontinental country. Transcontinental का मतलब होता है जो कि 2 continents को touch करे. That means, see, Kazakhstan is located particularly in the Central Asia, but इसके जो कुछ parts हैं वो Eastern Europe को भी touch करते हैं. That is why it is a ट्रांसकॉन्टिनेंटल कंट्री. सो मेजरली सेंट्रल एशिया का कंट्री है और कुछ पार्ट्स ईस्टर्न यूरोप को भी टच करते हैं. कजाकिस्तान इज द लार्जेस्ट लैंडलॉक कंट्री और इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया इट इज द 9th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. सो मूविंग अहेड, नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज द कैपिटल. सो द कैपिटल ऑफ कजाकिस्तान इज नूर सुल्तान. बट ये जो नेम है वो अभी रिसेंट में चेंज किया गया है. इसके पहले जो कैपिटल का नाम था वो था अस्ताना. ओके, बट ये जो नूर सुल्तान नेम है इट इज इन द ऑनर ऑफ द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कजाकिस्तान. सो द करेंसी ऑफ कजाकिस्तान इज टेंजे. मूविंग अहेड, नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज केन्या. इट इज लोकेटेड हियर इन द अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट. इट इज अ कंट्री इन द ईस्ट अफ्रीका. ओके, और उसकी जो कोस्ट लाइन है वो इंडियन ओशन को भी टच करती है. सो कैपिटल जो है केन्या की इट इज नायरोबी एंड जो इसकी करेंसी है इट इज शिलिंग. नेक्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट कुवैत. सो पर्टिकुलरली ये वेस्ट एशिया की कंट्री है और ये जो है इट इज सिचुएटेड इन द नॉर्दर्न एज ऑफ ईस्टर्न अरेबिया, ऑल्सो इन द टिप ऑफ पर्शियन गल्फ. पर्शियन गल्फ की टिप पर ये जो है कुवैत सिचुएटेड है. सो जो ये कुवैत है इट हाउसेज द लार्ज एक्सपेट्रिएट इंडियन पॉपुलेशन. ऑल्सो इट इज अ सोर्स फॉर 10 to 12% ऑफ इंडियन ऑयल इंपोर्ट्स. सो कैपिटल जो कुवैत की है इट इज कुवैत सिटी एंड जो करेंसी कुवैत यूज करता है इट इज कुवैत दीनार. Moving ahead, next we will discuss about Latvia. So Latvia is a country is situated in the Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea की country है. Baltic Sea की से जो coast line है वो touch करता है इसका. Also it is a Baltic country. Particularly ये जो है एस्टोनिया और लिथुआनिया के बीच में आता है. So जो कैपिटल है लात्विया की इट इज रीगा एंड करेंसी इज यूरो. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज लाइबेरिया. सो इट इज अगेन अ कंट्री ऑफ अफ्रीका. अफ्रीका के पर्टिकुलरली वेस्टर्न कोस्ट में सिचुएटेड है, एज यू कैन सी इट राइट हियर. सो जो कैपिटल है लाइबेरिया की इट इज मोनरोविया एंड द करेंसी ऑफ लाइबेरिया इज लाइबेरियन डॉलर. Next, we will discuss about Libya. So, in the part 1, we discussed about the Maghreb region, right? So, Libya is also a part of Maghreb region. Mediterranean Sea की coastline को भी touch करता है and इसका location आप देख ही रहे हैं, it is in the Africa, North Africa. So, about Libya, it is the country in the Maghreb region, as I said, and mostly it is a desert and ऑयल रिच कंट्री विथ एंशियंट हिस्ट्री. सो इसकी जो कैपिटल है इट इज त्रिपोली और इसकी जो करेंसी है इट इज लीबियन दीनार. मूविंग अहेड, नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मॉरिशस. सो इट इज सिचुएटेड समवेयर हियर. इट इज एन इंडियन ओशन आइलैंड नेशन particularly known for its beaches, lagoons and reefs. So there was a coastline radar system deployed by mainland India बट एज ऑफ 2017 इसका जो करंट स्टेटस है दैट इज अनक्लियर, बट देयर वाज अ कोस्टलाइन सर्विलेंस रडार सिस्टम डिप्लॉयड बाय इंडिया. सो जो कैपिटल है मॉरिशस की इट इज पोर्ट लुइस, एंड जो करेंसी यूज करता है मॉरिशस इट इज रुपी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज मंगोलिया. सो it is a part of East Asia. It borders with Russia and it also borders with the China from the south. So Mongolia is known for its vast rugged expanses and nomadic culture. So the capital है Mongolia की it is Ulaanbaatar and currency is Tughrik. Next we have is Morocco. It is again in the Maghreb region of Africa, particularly the North Africa. Morocco also borders with the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. So जो capital है Morocco की it is Rabat and currency is dirham. So moving ahead, next we have is Mozambique. So Mozambique is again a country of Africa, particularly South Africa, जो उसके western border को touch करता है. Also it touches the Indian Ocean का coastline. Okay. So जो capital है Mozambique की it is Maputo and जो currency Mozambique की है it is Metikal. Next we will discuss about Myanmar, which is again our neighbor. It is a country in the Southeast Asia. और ये म्यांमार है it is usually in the news with the Rohingya crisis. So the जो म्यांमार है it borders India from the northeast. Okay. So जो capital है म्यांमार की it is Naypyidaw and जो currency है it is Kyat. Now we are going to discuss about Namibia. So इसके बारे में हमने बोट्सवाना के साथ भी थोड़ा सा डिस्कस किया था about the Kalahari desert area, but Namibia में भी deserts हैं and particularly the Namib deserts. So Namibia की location as you can see it is located in the southwest Africa along with the coastline of Atlantic Ocean and it is disguised with the Namib desert. So जो capital है Namibia की it is Windhoek and जो currency है it is Namibian dollar again. Next we have is Nepal. It is again our neighbor. It is lying in the southern slope of Himalayas and touches India from the northern parts. Okay, here. So Nepal is the only country in the world which uses this triangular shaped flag. Apart from it, almost every country around the world they use this rectangular shaped flag. Okay, but Nepal uses this triangular shaped flag and it is the only country. So the capital है नेपाल की it is Kathmandu, which is also the headquarter of SAARC, which is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So the currency है नेपाल की it is again rupee. Moving ahead, next we have is Netherlands. So it is a part of Europe. It is a country in Europe which is informally known as Holland as well. And particularly it is situated in the western part of Europe. So जो Netherlands है it also touches the border with North Sea. So जो capital है Netherlands की it is Amsterdam and currency is euro. Now we are going to discuss about the Nigeria. So again it is a country of African continent. ये जो है जो अफ्रीका के western coast में situated है. Also it touches the Gulf of Guinea. So Nigeria is famous for various landmarks and wildlife reserves. So the capital है Nigeria की it is Abuja and currency is Naira. Now we are going to discuss about the North Korea. So it is situated in the eastern part of Asia और जो ये जो Korean peninsula है this peninsula उसका northern part है which is North Korea और जो southern part होगा वो है South Korea. So North Korea it is particularly situated in the East Asia. Now so the capital है North Korea की it is Pyongyang और जो currency है it is won. Next we have is Norway. So again it is a Nordic country और ये जो है North Europe का part है. Also it is a Scandinavian country. So जो capital है Norway की it is Oslo and जो currency है जो Norway use करता है it is krone. Now we are going to discuss about Pakistan. Okay, so ये जो है India का neighbor है और it touches India from the western borders. Okay. So इसका जो location है it is in the South Asia. Also it is the world's 5th most populous country. Okay, दुनिया की 5th most populous country है पाकिस्तान. So जो capital है पाकिस्तान की I guess you all know that it is Islamabad and जो currency है it is again rupee. Last we will discuss about the Philippines. So it is situated here. It is again an archipelago जो कि हमने previous session में discuss किया था. If you are unclear about that, please go to a previous part and watch them. So Philippines is also an archipelago. It is a part of Southeast Asia and located somewhere around the South China Sea and the Philippine Sea. So the capital of Philippines is Manila, which is the most densely populated city proper in the world as per 2019. और जो currency है Philippines की, it is peso. So guys, let's take a quick recap of the most important countries that we have studied in this session. So we talked about Japan, Kuwait, Mauritius, Myanmar, Nepal, Netherlands and Pakistan. So I'll take the name of the country and then their capitals and their currency. So Japan, capital Tokyo and currency yen. Kuwait की जो capital थी, it was Kuwait city and currency was dinar. Mauritius, capital Port Louis, currency rupee. Myanmar, capital Naypyidaw and currency kyat. Nepal, capital Kathmandu, currency again rupee. Netherlands, capital Amsterdam and currency euro. Pakistan, capital Islamabad and currency rupee. So guys, we are still left with most important countries and that we are going to cover up in the next and the last part of this series. So in the next session, we are coming up with Russia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Sweden, United Kingdom and United States. So as you can see, these are the important ones. So please stay tuned. Till then, work hard. Jai Hind.